Every single window in this car is completely automatic, which is really surprising. There's a traction off button where you can turn off traction control. There's a parking sensor, and to my knowledge, there's a backup camera. The audio is off. A really good variety of apps here. Something really cool is it has a fuel prices app right here that can tell you the fuel prices in your area. It has Pandora, iHeartRadio. It is a much older touchscreen, so it's not all too responsive. It has movies, sports, traffic, stocks, open table. But for something in a 2013 vehicle that's extremely well equipped. And it has dual climate control for each person. It's very nice leather. It's stitched leather almost all the way around. It's stitched. It's very high quality material. I think this is actual wood. There's chrome trim on these bits. The steering wheel feels extremely nice. Not the best grips for the 10 and 2 position, but the 9 and 3 is extremely well done. The heat works really well. It's very roomy in here. The back seat isn't all that roomy, but the front seat is pretty roomy. It has a front defroster, rear defroster. It has an HD radio. It has a really good idea of where we are in the car. It has automatic headlights. All around, it is a really nice car. Sounds really good. Have a good day, guys.